All right. Hey guys, this is Speedy Gavin and welcome to my first video Gary's Mod tutorial because I got a comment from FNAF Plush Productions and saying like how I was able to do those carts that I did in the last video. Ooh, like like of the race that I did for the go-karts and the characters in the last video. So I thought that maybe I could make a video tutorial how I was able to figure out how to get the carts to work, because that's what he said in the comments. So let me just exit the camera. So now I'm going to show you how I figured out to get the go-karts to work. So first, I need to spawn in a cart, obviously. And I know I kind of want to show you guys the like how I put the character in there too. Ooh, which would make sense because the carts need to be driven by someone, right? So next, I need to right-click on it and press Disable Collisions. Because if I place the wheel, because I'm going to place the wheels in next, and if I didn't disable collisions, then the wheels are going to pop out of it. And I don't want that. So let's go to wheel, and whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, alright, I can just do this. So I'm going to place in all four wheels. Stop it! It's just I just keep crouching down and to try to go slower, which is really annoying. Alright. So now the wheels have been placed. So next, I need to add in the thruster. And one thing you guys want to know about thrusters is that make sure the toggle box is checked on. Because if you don't, then the thruster of making the cart go forward and backwards will only last for like 1 second. Like whenever it'll only work whenever you're holding down the numpad 8 and 5. So I got a way to fix that. You just need to check the toggle box. So that way you don't have to keep holding numpads 8 and 5 to go forward and backward. So let me show you what I mean. So actually wait, let's undo the thruster. Let's see what happens if I uncheck the toggle. When I press 8 and let it go, that only lasted for like 1 second. Let me just push it back. And now, so yeah, that's not good. Good. So check the toggle box. And then place the thruster here. And when I press 8 and 5 again, I'm not holding 8 anymore. And now it's going. And without me holding down 8 and 5. So yeah. I'm gonna... So wait, I just wanna... Here we go. So now that the card is done, we're going to put in our character now. Now, you guys may be thinking what character I'm going to place. Well, since I know this is an example, I'll just show... This is just a tutorial. I'll show you one character that I can place in this go-kart. Which character can I place that's nice and safe? I'm going to do Jenny. So now... Oh, well, let me just let's see. So let me just make Jenny look all happy by just doing the face. And one thing I need to do for her to place in the go-kart is that actually I'll show you once I finish posing her. So the head is good. Now I just need to place the spine, both spine parts up, because Because I know when I animate her, there's like two spine parts, or it's in her. Now I just need to move the pelvis up, and now let's move the hands, or both the arms, like this way, so that way she's like having both hands on the steering wheel. Let's do this. Okay. Now, is this good? Yeah, I think that's good enough. So now let's put the leg up so that way it look like that she has the pedals. But she's holding onto the pedals with her feet. All right, so now that we got that, let's so like I was saying, we need to, like, in order for her to be on the go-kart, I think we need to disable collisions on her too. But one thing we also need to do is like right click on her again and make statue, because I need to let her go by pressing the R button, and if I made the statue, then she would stay in that pose. Because if I didn't make the statue, then she would get back to what she was as the ragdoll. Well, and I don't want that. So I'm just trying to make sure she looks good by driving the go-kart. So now I'm just gonna change the color just for fun. And like make it a similar color to her. Is this good? Let's make it a little brighter. Alright, this'll do. So next I need to go to Weld. Sorry. So next I need to go to Weld. Well, first I need to do her head into the cart, then her spine parts into the cart, and then her pelvis into the cart. So now she's staying in the cart, because if I didn't lock her, then she would be just out of the go kart instantly, and I don't want that. So when I press 8 and 5, the cart is going with Jenny. It makes it look like she's driving the go kart. Now you guys may be wondering how, like in the last video, I was also able to add in cameras too. So I'm gonna just show you that too, just to put in something extra. So the camera is pretty easy, to be honest. Just gonna put in Jenny as the RT camera ID. And one thing I like about these is that it's you can make certain options for what type of monitor you want to see for the camera. So for me, I just choose this monitor, or that makes it look like a mini TV. And I also check show camera ID, so that way I can tell, who's who. Because if I didn't, then it wouldn't show their name. And that's why that RT camera ID comes in handy. So I'm gonna right click and left click. And when I left click, it spawned in a camera that's connected to the monitor. And right now as you can see on the screen, I'm holding it. But, so yeah, now that if I go here, or just place it right in front of Jenny and put it on top of the go-kart. So next, I just need to go to Weld again. Then the camera is staying on the cart. See? When I move the cart, the camera is staying there. And so is Jenny. So now I can watch her, or without even actually looking at her, I can watch her on the TV. So now when I let her go, her and the screen are going too. So yeah, I'm just really glad you guys enjoyed seeing all of this. So guys, I think that's pretty much it for this video. So I'm actually glad you got a chance to watch this video tutorial. So I hope this works out good for you guys. So guys, I guess I'm gonna end this video here. So everyone, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel; it really helps me out. And I'll see you guys in the next race of the Gary's Mod Kart tournament. See you then.